Hey guys, welcome to my channel for all beauty related things. If this is your first time watching, please consider subscribing below. And if you haven't watched my first video, I talk about my favorite organic bronzer and highlighter from 100% Pure. So go and check it out. So let's get this exciting video starting. I am going to show you one of my subscription makeup boxes that I get every month. It's from IPSY, so I'm pretty sure a lot of you have heard about this and have subscribed. So let me know what you think, if you really like this subscription box, or if you love it, if you hate it, let me know. Those of you who don't know what IPSY is, it's a subscription box that you get every month for $10. So they send you makeup samples, beauty lotions, nail polish, facials, anything that you basically like. So you set up a profile online on their website, and they ask you about your skin tone, what colors you like, what makeup you prefer to be delivered to you every month. Even though sometimes they don't send you what you like, but that's the little tricky part about them. So yeah, go and check them out if you want. I'm going to show you what I got for this month of April and the last month, March. Okay, so I'm gonna start. So this is the package. This is how it comes in this shiny pink bag, and well, I opened it already, and I'm pretty sure I've used a lot of most of the samples here. So this is how the bag looks, and what I love is, I mean, for $10 you get 5 samples and a makeup bag, you know, basically for free, and they're pretty cute. All the bags that they have sent me so far, they're pretty cute, and I love butterflies, and I love this color as well, so I'm pretty happy about the bag. So now what's inside, gonna see. So let me start with one of my favorites that I got this month. It was the nail polish. I actually have it on right now. It's this color right here. It's from Pretty Woman. So it's like a lavender, it's a cute, I don't know, it's like lavender color, and it matches the bag. See, it's like the same color, so it's pretty cute. It's one of my favorites. I was not disappointed with this one at all. So this is one item. And what else? Let's see. All right, this one here is a lip gloss from Smashbox. The first thing I saw that this color, you will never see me wearing this bright red lipstick at all. And I did put in my profile that I don't like these tones, but somehow they ended up sending it to me. So it's pretty red. I tried it on and I looked like I'm going to a Halloween party. So I'm very disappointed in this color. I'm not really sure what to do with it. Right. Another one here that I got was the Smoothing Radiance Mask. So it's a little sample from Philorgia, Paris. Never heard of this brand before, but I did try it and I liked it a lot. It did give my face a glow, and my face was radiant. You know, I did it after I came home from work. I was tired, took off my makeup, and I put this on, and my face was pretty amazing. It felt good. The only negative thing is that it dried my face a little bit, but I do use moisturizer, so it got better. So yeah, happy about this one. Now let's see, the worst one yet. It is this coconut oil and coffee sugar scrub. This one right here. I mean, I was really excited about this one when I first saw it. So when you sign up for IPSY, before, you know, after a couple of days they send you the box and the tracking number, you're able to see the items that you're going to get in your box. So when I saw this, I was really excited because I love coconut oil and coffee. Addicted to it. So I thought it would be a good mix, and the smell is disgusting. I mean, like, it smells like pure chemicals. It smells like old coffee, you know, when you make a pot of coffee and it's been probably sitting there for days. That's how it smells to me, at least. But I thought to myself, you know, let me not throw it away. Let me just try it once and see how I feel about it. I did try it on my hands, and it does leave your skin very smooth. So that's the positive thing about it. It does leave your skin very, very smooth. But if you don't like the smell of coffee, this is not going to be for you. I know I read a lot of reviews that people didn't like it, and I'm one of them. I didn't like this item at all, and you know, might go to the garbage because I'm not going to use it. So yes, disappointed in that one. And the last one is this cute eyeshadow from Luna. I love it because I love gold tones and brown shimmery stuff. It's very pretty. They had 2 shades, so I guess they sent me the golden tone one because that's how I set up my profile. So it's really cute, so you can see. So I'm happy about this one. It's not very pigmented, so it's very goes on smoothly and has a little shimmer, so it's very pretty. So these are all the items that I got this month of April. It's right here, put here. So if I can give it a rating, it will be 3 out of 5 stars. You know, my favorites were definitely the cute makeup bag, the nail polish, and the eyeshadow. The rest, like the other 3 items, were really not my favorite, and no, I'm not going to use them, so I give it a 3. You know, a lot of people get disappointed, but I do like to receive makeup and try new things, so I don't think I'll be canceling my subscription because I have received pretty nice items the past few months, so why not? So just to compare it with what I got for the month of March. So this is the bag that they sent me. It is pretty cute. So they sent this bag with little crayons, little markers, so you can customize it. So this is actually me. I was coloring with the markers, so they sent it to you in addition. It's pretty cute. It's a good material. You know, you can color however you want to, just leave it black and white. So this is from the month of March. I got my favorite one, this cute makeup brush. I am a fan of brushes, and I'm always on the hunt for new ones or different kinds, so I was pretty happy about this one. I love the color, the glittery, and I use it to apply my bronzer. As you can tell, it's pretty used. So this one, and I also got a highlighter from DLS. The color is too light for me. This is too pink. It does look nice. I do put it on, not every day, but you know, every once in a while I wear it, and it's just a little too pink, but it's still cute. So for someone maybe that's has a lighter skin tone, will look very nice. So this is what else. Yep. Now this one, let me just put it here, sorry. This is the only item that I was really disappointed about. Oh, I can get it out. Whatever. Alright, so this is like a little eyeshadow sample. It is, you know, brown tone because I like the brown, so that they got it right. The color is pretty too. It has a little shimmer to it. I just didn't like the packaging where it came. It looks kind of cheap. It's just like a little bit, so I don't even know where to put it. So I have it, you know, right here in the plastic. This is the only one that I wasn't happy about. Oh my god, so I have to tell you what happened. I recorded my whole video. I was having trouble with my computer. I was trying to save it and it wasn't saving at all, so I decided to fix my video on my phone. And you know how you can trim it and save it as a separate clip or trim the original. I was a little distracted talking to my mother, and I trimmed the original video, so the part that I was cutting out, like just everything got deleted. So half of my video was saved and then half of it was completely gone. There was, you know, no way to get it back, and I was really upset that I put a lot of effort and time into making my video and it just got deleted. So I just decided to re-record half of it. The last item I showed you was the eyeshadow that came in the March bag, and I'm going to show you just 2 more that were left to do, and it got deleted. Stupid iPhone. So let's see. So this is another one that came in my bag. It's a PM mask. So you use this before you go to bed. It's a face mask. So you just gonna put it on top of it and just sit there for 5 to 10 minutes, and you just take it off, rinse your face, and it is good. I tried, they sent me 2 and I tried 1, and it's really good. Makes your skin very soft, very radiant. But I'm not a big fan of face masks, so I don't really use them a lot. But I did fix my profile, and I put that, you know, that I don't want them to send me face masks anymore. I'm more of a face scrub kind of person. So this is one of them. They sent me 2. I used 1. It's really good. Let's see. And now I saved the best for last. So my favorite item that I've gotten throughout this month with IPSY is this one right here. This little eyeliner. So I don't know if you can see it. It's called Sex Kitten by the brand Tarte. It is my favorite. I love eyeliners, and I usually get mine from CVS or Target. There's been one that I've used for years, but this one replaced it. I completely love it. It's very smooth. It goes on so smoothly. I don't have it on right now because I try to save it, and I only use it when I go on dates with my boyfriend or when I have a night out with my girls. So this is the only eyeliner that you want when you go out. It's incredible. It's very pigmented. It goes so smoothly. It lasts for a long time, whole day. So it's right here, and I think this item goes for $30 in the stores, the full size, but this one is just a sample, but it's still pretty great. Once I'm done with this, I'm definitely going to get the full size one. It's amazing. You should check it out. And Sephora, they sell it. I went the other day and I saw it, and I got so excited. So that's a good thing about IPSY, you know, like they send you these cute little samples, and you get to know about brands and makeup routines and, you know, different things that you can use in your face. So I didn't know much about this brand until I received this, and now I'm obsessed, and I keep looking at different eyeshadows and eyeliners. So my favorite was March, just because I loved every single item except maybe the little eyeshadow that came in that plastic container. But other than that, you know, the bag is cute. I love the eyeliner. I loved everything in it. This one, completely love the bag. So I will give it 3 out of 5, and this one 4 out of 5. This one, makeup bag, is my favorite, and also the nail polish that I showed you before, my favorite. I thank you guys for watching, and I hope you really liked my video. Please don't forget to subscribe below. And if you haven't watched my video of my favorite bronzer and highlighter from 100% Pure, it's the first video from last week. You can go and check it out. So that's it, and I'll be seeing you guys next week. Bye.